Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to manage your public post notification on Facebook. Maybe you wanted to know on how to manage public post notification on Facebook, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can manage the public post notification on your Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to tap on and open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, to proceed, simply tap on your profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be directed into this page. You can scroll down and you will see here the settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button. Once you tap on it, you will see here the settings. Select it. Once you select the settings, you'll be directed into the settings and privacy. Under that is the preferences and also the audience and visibility. Under the audience and visibility, you'll see here the followers and public content. Simply tap on it. And then in here, you can scroll down and you will see in here the public post notifications. You can get notification when people who are not your friends start following you and share, like or comment on your public post. To manage it, simply tap on this everyone or friends and friends and no one. You can choose from those. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to manage your public post notification, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to manage your public post notification, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.